Hello guys, I'm going to tell you about the FL flag limit in the RTM strategy, and I want to explain what's the meaning of the flag limit and why it's happened. Okay, we have one resistance in here. Okay, this is one resistance in here, and the price come and break this resistance. Okay, and for the first time back to this resistance that changed to support area, we can buy in here and going to the here, and after that this is the next resistance in this area and it's coming down, and for second time we can buy again because this zone will give us the potential for the price to going up, for growing up the price, and it's going up in the second time back. And for the third time back we have to have a good risk management and decrease the risk, because the one area after touch two time, for the third time touch the one support area or resistance area, the people who want in that area want to buy it, they increase the people in this area. And in the third time back, usually it's going up, but not that much. It's this much, for example, not that much. And after that, when the price want to break this support zone, it's coming here and the pull back to here and make some flag in here. And after that, it's coming here. Okay, and this area we tell this is the flag limit or FL. Okay, this area is FL. Okay, when the one support zone or the one resistance zone want to break it, after the break it, maybe we make a flag limit or FTR. FTR it means flag fail to return. The FTR is different, but FTR is same as this. This is the flag limit. Okay, okay, I put this here. Okay, the FTR is here. For example, this is resistance, and when the price break this resistance, come back to the for first time to this support zone, because the resistance after the break one resistance is changed to the support. Okay, the support zone, and it's going up, and after that we have a one resistance in here actually. Okay, the price come back, and for the second time back we can buy it, and uh, the price come here. And for the third time back, actually I didn't trade on the third time back or fourth time back, just I trade in the first time back and second time back, not in the third time back and fourth time back, because it has a risk, and I don't trade in the risk level. Okay, and for example, it's coming here and here, and when the price break down that this support zone, it's coming here, and we have a one flag in here, and after that the price come here. This is the uh, FTR. What's meaning of this is FTR? Fail to return. This means the price wants to return and pull back to the here, but it can't pull back to here, and after it come here. And this is the differences of the FTR and flag limit. What's happened? This is when flag limit happen when in the support zone or resistance. This is the RS. Okay, S and R. S and R is mean S from support, R from resistance. This is the S and R zone. Okay, this is S and R zone. And when the price wants to break down this S and R, when the price make a flag in this S and R zone, This is the FL or flag limit after it's coming down. If the price can't stay in SNR, it's coming here and make a one flag in here. Its name is FTR, fail to return. Okay, okay. For FL, now we are in a FL. For the we have a FL in here, and always in here we have a thinking about the selling here. Why? For the first time, same as here, this is here in the this flag limit is for first time. We think it's coming here, or for second time it's coming here, for third time here, and after that it can go and go. Okay, then we can go to watch the this chart. This is the one FTR in here. This is the daily time. We have a one resistance in here, the resistance in here. Okay, we have a support zone in here. You know, we have a support zone in here. You can just see the support in here. The price, when the price wants to break it up and pull back in here for first time, it's going up, and it's going back for the third time. The second time it's going up, and this is for the third time it's coming here. And when the price wants to break down this SNR zone, the price make one flag in here. Okay, and after that the price going down. Okay, here price going down, and we have, when we zoom in the price, we have, you can see the flag in here, and after that the price come here. Okay, for first time when the price come back to this area, it's sell pressure, making sell pressure in here, and the price come to the here. Okay, same as or mine. See this one. This is the first time back when it's the price break this SNR, make a one flag in here, as come here, and the first time back, second time back, and like this. Okay, we say this area is a FL, flag limit. Okay, this is for RTM strategy, and we have a flag limit also in here. Okay, and I make another example for you. We can see in the Bitcoin chart. Okay, yeah, let, let me do it in here. We have a one area in here, one SNR in here. Yeah, this is the very important SNR for Bitcoin. Okay, after the break this resistance, this is changed to the support zone. It's coming back, pull back to here for the first time, it's going up, come back to here for second time, it's going up, it's for third time it's going up, but for third time usually it's not going up, and it is the fake break actually. It's coming here, and when the price wants to break this SNR zone, the price come here and pull back to this resistance and make it some flag in here, and coming back to here, shoot the price to the here. And this is the first time the price received to this area. Okay, then we think that this is the first time back to this area as the price wants come down. Then when you see the pattern in any strategy, you have to trust that pattern, and you have to see the market. Don't lose your money in the market, and don't have a thought in the market to buy something or sell something very fast. Just look at the market from this, actually zoom out the market and look from the back. Okay, have a good day. Bye.